As a university dedicated to students, one of the great advantages of working at Cal Poly is the large number of learning resources that both staff and faculty have access to. The Cal Poly Learning Hub is a significant contribution to those resources. We have access to tens of thousands of online and in-person learning assets, things like books, videos, courses, articles. It's all there in the Cal Poly Learning Hub. The online learning assets can be arranged into tracks. These tracks help you to get certifications in industry-recognized fields such as project management, human resources, and others. The Cal Poly Learning Hub is an effective system to help you meet your learning needs and ultimately your career goals.